Hello everyone, welcome to the world of medical terminology. Vocabulary is central to English language learning. As Wilkins put it in 1972, without grammar, very little can be conveyed. Without vocabulary, nothing can be conveyed.
Medical terminology is a special vocabulary used by healthcare professionals for effective and accurate communication. However, this job becomes much tougher with two big challenges.
One is its vast and ever-increasing number, which is around 200,000 in total, and at a growing rate of 1,500 more each year.
The other is its long and complicated formation. Anyone who is fresh into this world may be intimidated by these long and complicated giants.
Learning medical terms may seem overwhelming, but in fact, medical terminology is consistent and uniform throughout the world, and there are methods that can aid in learning and remembering the medical words.
As we can see, most of the long medical terms can be divided into component parts, roots, prefixes, and suffixes, and they maintain the same meaning whenever they appear.
By learning their meanings, we can analyze and remember many words.
So, our first job in learning the language of medicine is to understand how to divide the words into their component parts and learn their meanings.
Do not simply memorize terms. Think about dividing them into component parts.
And then you will find medical terms are much like jigsaw puzzles. The pieces can be shuffled up and used in lots of combinations to make each word unique.
This course will show you how to separate both complicated and simple terms into understandable word elements. As you become familiar with word paths and learn what each means, you will be able to recognize those word paths in totally new combinations in other terms.
If you are a medical student or medical professional, please join us. You will find this course a rewarding and interesting experience with a group of helpful English teachers from Capital Medical University. Welcome!